everyone, my name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC in New York City. Today I want to talk about recent changes that have been made to how USCIS and the Department of Homeland Security will be accepting payments in the coming weeks. Several days ago, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services announced that they will be making changes to how they accept payments as of October 28th, 2025. This means that the changes in how payments will be accepted by USCIS will start after October 28th, 2025. Specifically, the changes that are going to be implemented as of or after October 28th, 2025 is that USCIS will no longer be accepting personal or business checks or money orders as they always have in the past. USCIS says that it receives about 90% or more of their payments through personal or business checks or through money orders, and that causes a lot of processing delays as well as sometimes incorrect rejections or other personnel issues on USCIS's side. What they're going to start doing after October 28th, 2025 is receiving only payments through credit card or through online debit payments. Of course, if they only received online payments, there would be several issues for many people who are immigrants in the United States that do not have access to the internet or have other payment method issues. What USCIS is going to be doing is start receiving a new form called G1650, and what that is an authorization form to use a debit card or a debit bank account transaction when you submit a case. What this means is when you submit your case to USCIS after October 28th, 2025, you must submit form G1650 with that if you want to do a bank transaction where USCIS will then withdraw the money from your account using the authorization on form G1650 that you will file with your submission to USCIS. Of course, for a long time now, USCIS has been also receiving payments through credit card transactions, and in order to receive a payment through credit card transaction, you must still continue to use form G1450, which is the credit card transaction authorization form, which you also would need to submit with your USCIS submission in order for USCIS to receive your credit card payment. Now, a lot of people are probably going to start asking themselves, what do I do if I don't have a credit card and I don't have a bank account here in the United States, but I need to submit a form or an application to USCIS? Well, the answer is you can use form G1450 and use a prepaid credit card or money card that you can purchase, and you need to always make sure that whether you use your credit card, a prepaid credit card, or a bank account for a new transaction using G1650, you need to make sure that you always have enough money in your account for the period of time it takes for USCIS to withdraw the money from the account after they receive your case with these respective authorization forms. So with that being said, this is a rather exciting new development and a little bit scary for a lot of people because it's a big change for USCIS, but it is going to propel USCIS forward and hopefully eliminate a lot of incorrect processing issues that we have always dealt with when it comes to making payments to the Department of Homeland Security. With this being said, you can feel free to find us online at hemrick.law. You can reach us by phone at 833-848-7838. We're happy to answer any questions about this or about, of course, any other immigration matter. And until next time, I look forward to talking to everyone soon.